Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to learn about short answers in the present continuous tense. Short answers are quick, polite responses we use in everyday conversations. Let's explore how to form them correctly. So, what exactly are short answers? When someone asks you a question like, "Are you studying?" you don't need to repeat the entire sentence. Instead, you can simply say, "Yes, I am," or "No, I'm not." These are short answers. They use the auxiliary verb from the question to give a quick, polite response. Short answers sound more natural than just saying yes or no alone. Now let's look at the structure. For positive short answers, we use yes plus the subject pronoun plus the verb am, is, or are. For example, yes, I am, or yes, she is. For negative short answers, we use no plus the subject pronoun plus am not, isn't, or aren't. For example, no, I'm not, or no, they aren't. Notice how we keep the same auxiliary verb from the question. Let's practice with different pronouns. When the question is, "Are you working?" the short answer is yes, I am for positive, or no, I'm not for negative. If someone asks, "Are they studying?" you can say yes, they are, or no, they aren't. For "Are we leaving now?" the answer would be yes, we are, or no, we aren't. Remember, with these pronouns, we always use are in the short answer. Now let's look at third-person singular pronouns. When someone asks, "Is he sleeping?" you respond with yes, he is, or no, he isn't. For "Is she reading?" say yes, she is, or no, she isn't. And for "Is it raining?" the answer is yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Notice that we use is with he, she, and it, not are. In negative short answers, we usually use contractions to sound more natural. I am not becomes I'm not, is not becomes isn't, and are not becomes aren't. These contractions are very common in spoken English. However, remember that for positive answers with I, we never contract. We always say yes, I am, never yes, I'm. Let's look at some common mistakes. First, never say yes, I'm as a short answer. The correct form is yes, I am. We don't contract positive short answers with I. Second, don't say no, they not. You need the auxiliary verb, so say no, they aren't. Third, avoid saying yes, she's. Instead, say yes, she is. Remember, we only use contractions in negative short answers, not positive ones. Now you know how to form short answers in the present continuous tense. The best way to master this is through practice. Try using short answers in your everyday conversations. Listen to native speakers and pay attention to how they respond to questions. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Keep practicing, and you'll sound more fluent in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.